Morien Resources Corp is a royalty-based company. We have two royalties. One of them is the Donkin Coal mine in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. The other is the Black Point Aggregates project in Guysborough County, Nova Scotia. What excites me is that we have cash in the bank, about $2.5 million, and we expect that the coal mine goes into production this year and we start to receive royalty checks from that coal mine. Most mining companies have to raise capital, issue shares to go and build projects out. All of that is behind us. We're actually using our cash to buy back our shares, which we think are undervalued, and we're expecting to collect royalties this year off of projects where other people are putting the capital forward to build them. Well, we have a coal project and we have a granite project, and so those are commodities that have wide swings in pricing, so that will affect the amount of royalty that we would get. But in terms of risk for this year, the granite project is on track to be permitted later this year for production in 2019. The coal project is being developed as we speak. There is mining equipment being put underground to start mining later this year. With respect to the coal mine, there is risks in the delay of the start of production. We know that the operator, which is Morien Resources Group, which is a billionaire US investor, is putting capital into the mine, but they're going to be exporting coal, and the coal export markets are volatile. They may delay or slow down the startup of that mine. Other than that, they are putting capital in, the equipment is being moved on site, and everything that we see they're doing is setting the mine up for production later this year. I expect that we're going to receive word, we're going to see that production in this mine has started in this year. That's our milestone. There's another milestone for the granite business, which is it's on the last stage of being permitted by the province and the federal government. We expect to see that permit done by the end of June. That mine won't go into production until 2019, we expect, so it's not a near-term milestone that has high value for us. It will be a milestone that's going to present value to us because that mine has a 50-year life. So of the two royalties that Morien owns, one of them is for the Donkin mine, which has a 25-year expected mine life, and the other royalty is on the Black Point Aggregate project, which has a 50-year expected mine life. So we expect to be receiving royalty checks for decades to come.